Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrap It Up.
Hey.
We have a little prayer list going.
Yep, just a couple this time. See? Please pray for Rebecca Ocker, who her whole body hurts from arthritis. And Kim Williams has asked for prayers for her dad Les, who has recently been diagnosed with bowel cancer. So prayers out for Les and Rebecca.
And I got a prayer request off of our Instagram account from Doris McLaren, who's starting her chemo. Pray for her. And she wants me to say hello to Grace Vassallo. Hello, Grace Vassallo.
Hi, Grace.
All right, we're gonna go garbage picking and dumpster diving. Whatever we can find and sell or make money from, we'll pick up. I brought the light with me in case it gets dark. We're losing light now, so we might have to stay out all night if we can't find anything.
This is news to me. Or should I try to dig it out? Oh yeah, catch it too. Look at all the shells of cheese.
Holy moly.
Yeah. Gotta get that.
Ew, bacon.
Don't want that.
That one's not, but that's bacon.
Oh, that's bacon?
Yeah.
But we could donate it. I'm gonna need tools or I'm gonna need to get it.
Wow, there's a lot of the bacon stuff. Here, hold it up. I'll get it. Let's see if I'm long enough to get it.
I thought that was the one you didn't want.
You said you were going to donate it.
Well, I said we could.
Well, most of them are those, so...
We'll get the ones that aren't, the blue ones that you will eat. Good job.
All right, yeah, I can't reach the other one, so... Wow, this is very wasteful, especially when it's dry goods. Okay, well, there's a whole case of ketchup on the other side.
Try to get that.
All right. Does this have a Best Buy date, or why would they get rid of this?
Makes no sense to me.
No, it does. 9/27.
Still, I can't imagine.
I don't know.
What
There's
would go
a lot
bad
in here. Do you guys remember when we showed you guys all the pizzas? Let's see what's in this one.
Should I try to get this one with the rake or?
Holy crap. Do you want the whole crate of them? Oh, I can't.
It's gonna work anyway.
Alright.
Go back to the individual method. Where else I could get it?
this. I know you like tomato soup.
I know what I'm having tomorrow. Grilled cheese and tomato soup.
Closer. What, this one? I don't know if those are any good. They're already past the $1 off special date.
They look alright.
What else? Ew, banana chocolate.
Say it, don't say it. Buying ketchup again for $1.
Well, we could give this out for sure. It thought I said OFF. You want more
It's up to you.
soup?
Whatever you're feeling.
All right.
Leave some for the next guy.
Oh, guys, that's a lot of stuff. I know sometimes you guys get disappointed, but other people do dive here, so. That was a good dive, man, right there.
Yep.
And now for all those lovers of scrap. I hope it's scrap. It looks pretty good.
That water.
This is a lightweight one. Front wheels, look. Alright. Keep these. I might need them for something. Alright, we got some scrapola. Scrapola, my friends.
That's what I'm talking about. Do you want this too?
Yeah, get the screen. The frame's almost always aluminum. We just saw a willow down the street, and I commented that they're kind of rare. You don't see them very often. You also need I had learned that they needed a lot of water, so yeah, I rarely see those anymore. Beautiful, beautiful trees. So we just had a conversation with this guy. His sister's moving. What else we got?
These people won't through.
Are they moving or not? All right, what else?
I didn't see anything.
Anything else?
I think we're good. Might be a few wires.
What about the water heater? You see a water heater? No, he's talking about this probably. That's it that I can see. That's all I can see. That doesn't have a lot of. Okay, kids, we're gonna go on home, and I think we're gonna prepare the car and go to the scrapyard tomorrow. What do you say?
Yay!
All right.
See you then.
Whew! It's a hot one here. It's like 80 something.
Hotter than we expected. I'm not dressed for this.
That's right, for mid-October. But we got a load, a minivan's worth. So let's go to the scrapyard.
Let's throw out some junk.
Let's get rid of this. For those who live far away from a scrapyard, it's not advised to go very often if you don't have a big load. It wouldn't be
Worth it.
Yes.
But we're really close.
We live very close to a number of scrapyards. We're very lucky that way that we don't have to pile it in our yard until we get one that, you know, covers the gas. Because I know some of you guys live pretty far from your scrapyard, but we don't. It's like a mile, so come on along.
Get in the van.
I'm picking out a thermos for you. Not an ordinary thermos for you.
Pop her up over. See how we treat our fans.
Watch your footsies.
Okay, ready, 1, 2.
What?
Oh. Unless I was swearing at this thing.
Okay, here we go.
Woohoo! Excited.
Beautiful metal work there.
It's gonna last a while now.
That's our non-ferrous. You're going to want to separate your shred from your cast, from your non-ferrous. You want to weigh your vehicle on the way in, and after we already did that, after your way out. Right, LeeAnn?
Right. See you in a few minutes with the money.
How you doing, Michelle?
You're gonna be pleased.
What's happening?
You know that y'all are two of our favorite customers here.
We do know that.
Okay, I just want you guys
You
to know
treat
that.
us very nice,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
know that you are our favorite scrapyard.
Okay.
That's right.
And you are one of our favorite people at our
That's
favorite
right.
scrapyard.
All right, what do you get? Hey, 41 bucks.
That freezer must have been heavier than we thought. Where all that aluminum was.
Well, we
good.
had 2 motor things,
Yeah.
and
Not
so
bad at
not
all.
too bad. I hope you enjoyed this fun excursion. We'll be eating macaroni and cheese, or
For a
those
lo-
shells
every
and
day,
cheese
for a long
very
time.
long time.
It's a good thing that's one of her favorite meals, so we usually have it once a week anyway. Macaroni and cheese and peas.
And we will be giving it to a lot of people.
Yes.
We already
I already
divided
filled
it
up 4
up
bags.
into grab bags for our friends and family. Oh, Lord.
Everyone's getting macaroni and cheese and ketchup.
All right.
She puts ketchup on her macaroni and cheese sometimes, so
Sometimes.
there we go.
I like to switch it up, you know?
Sometimes hot sauce. I like mine just plain, straight up with
Well, we
some
got the
salt.
ketchup, too,
Yep.
if you remember, earlier in here. All right, guys. We'll see you later.
We love you.
Take care.
Hey, check out our other channel. Like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, do all that good YouTube
Come on,
stuff.
give us a like before you leave.
And subscribe on our other channel.